What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I don't want to keep the intro too long, but as y'all can already see from the title, I will be installing Lulutress's beach curl. And it's been a minute since I did a crochet video, so that's why I'm here today. I've been doing headband wig videos, but beach curl 18 inches, color number 2. I bought 5 packs, but this is that curl pattern. It reminds me of Presto Curl from Pre-Tress. So that's what that looks like. I think I might split the hair. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is Lulutress's beach curl, and you guys, this is cute. It was an easy install. I did have a few snags here and there, but the hair is super soft. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna trim it up a little bit more, but I bought 5 packs. This is how much I have left over, because I did start splitting the hair once I got towards the front, because I was worried about running out of hair. So I just split the hair once. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, what you think? It's so cute and it's so full. 5 packs with some left over. I love it. Peace.